So we talked about life events in terms of criteria where people might want to sell their house. There may be other situations in the senior community where people are 62 years old or older, and they may want to do a couple of things. They may want to age in place. They may want to sell their house and move to something smaller, downsize, sell their house and move to a different location, still within Broward County or within Florida, or sell their house and move to a less expensive area, which might be, as we're seeing, North Carolina and South Carolina a lot on the map. So a way for this to occur is done with a Hecm to purchase mortgage. Now, a Hecm to purchase is known as a reverse mortgage. And I know that should curl your hair. It should make the hair stand up on the back of your neck, because in the old days, a reverse mortgage was a mortgage of last resort, because you financially couldn't afford the house and you would take a reverse mortgage to be able to stay in the house. Under recent administrations, who was a president that was very, very rich, he suggested that maybe we needed to convert the reverse mortgage to a tool for those of the wealthy. So for example, if you have a lot of money and you live in a $5 million house, maybe there's a way for that person to be able to buy another property and never pay another mortgage. So the tax advantage has now been introduced to the reverse mortgage process. So if you are 62 and older, there are ways that you can sell your property. Let's don't go to the $5 million property. Let's start with the $500,000 property. You sell your property, which is free and clear. You get a reverse mortgage on a $500,000 property. You get, after commissions, let's say you get $450,000. You can take that $450,000 and apply all of it on a new property at a purchase price, contract price of $900,000. So you're doubling the equity, and guess what? By doubling your equity and giving that amount of equity to the bank, you never pay a mortgage payment for the rest of your life. Now, it almost sounds too good to be true. And in the past, when it was a loan of last resort, people were concerned because they want to leave something to their family. They have children, or they have brothers or sisters or nieces or nephews. With this new product, you can still leave that property to your heirs. You would simply instruct them on how it works, and by the way, they could also buy it at a discount, but probably the best way to do, if our market continues to thrive, which I think it will, would be to sell the property, pay off the money that the reverse mortgage has given to the deceased, and the survivor has that money as a result, as a part of the inheritance. It's very tricky, but very, very doable. And we believe that reverse mortgages will really play a big role in our South Florida market. Now, properties that are this easy to turn over have to be conveyed to other people that know about doing these properties. So if you're thinking about a reverse mortgage, you should be talking to your financial planner, but you must include your mortgage broker. I use Don Rubin at Fairway Mortgage because he's kind of the king of this product. And he is also in that age bracket, so he understands the importance of making sure he manages assets correctly and gets the tax product to his customers. It's a very doable product. It's not a product of last resort. It's a product that allows you to live without a mortgage forever, and sometimes in a much better home. If you need help with this, please give me a call. My name is Gary Lanham. I'm with Coldwell Banker, and my cell is 954-695-6518. Thank you.